Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Hello Buddy. This video will proceed to STPM Biology Semester 3, Chapter 15, Ecology, about the topic nature. So this is the third topic lah. Okay. So this is the content. This video only will cover the nature topic. Okay. So first of all, you have to know that the definition of nature. So niche refers to the physical area lived by organism and its functional role in community. So it is one of the physical area lived by organism. Satu organism dia tinggal di dalam satu sesebuah tempat, and then dia akan ada satu peranan mereka dalam komuniti mereka. Inilah definition untuk which. So, adalah satu organism, dia tinggal di dalam satu tempat, then dia ada satu peranannya dalam komunitinya. And in its community. And then the functional role is depends on the activities of the organism. So, each organism have the different activities. So this is called the functional role. So that is why the functional role is depend on the activities. And then the niche will represent the adaptation of species to survive and lifestyle. So this niche will represent, from the niche we will know that the species adaptation, and then we have also know the organism survive and lifestyle. And then there are total 4 types of nature you have to learn. The first one is multi-dimensional niche, fundamental niche, space niche, and trophic niche. Okay, next we will go one by one what they are mean. Okay, multi-dimensional niche is the sum of the usage of biotic and abiotic resources. So it is the niche. I already said it is one organism live in the one area, and its functional role in one community. So this niche multidimensional niche is the organism that have the refer to the sum of the usage of biotic and abiotic resources, which mean that the living and non-living resources lah. Okay, so for the example, like tropical tree lizards. The lizards that live in the tropical forest. And why this is called it refer as the multi-dimensional niche, because refer to the first one, temperature range. Temperature range is abiotic. Size of the tree life, it is biotic. Size of the insect eat, and type of the insect eat. So this is the role of the tropical tree lizards in its functional role. The activities that it adds. So the temperature range is not an activity, and temperature here is abiotic resources. And then the second one is size of the tree leaf. The size of the tree. And then the third one is size of the insect eat. So apa kebesaran lizard ni makan insect. And then the last one is type of the insect eat. Dia bukan semua insect makan, dia hanya makan certain insect sahaja. So this is the multidimensional. So it contain biotic and abiotic resources. And then for this niche, we also have competition occur. So if you want to know that one community, even animal also, they have the competition. Not only human have competition. Like human now with competition, you have competition, but that is for human. But in animal also, there are also competition. Like they have to mating, and then they have to eating. This also is one type of competition. Like human, our competition is like as our student, our competition is academic, right? The result, your academic, right? Your academic is one kind of competition. So in animal also, they have their kind of competition also. So the competition will occur in the overlapping multi-dimensional niche if the resources are limited. So this means that this example is one type of multi-dimensional feature. One example, and there are another of example of multi-dimensional nature also. Maybe there are in one tropical forest there are tiger that live in the tropical forest, and then the uh, uh, got what tiger, or even another animal, elephant that live in the tropical forest also have the also is one type of multidimensional nature because it contains biotic and abiotic resources. But this, if the multidimensional nature is overlap when the resources are limited, competition will be occur. There will competition be occur. Like one places, like one area of tropical forest, there are many type of animal live at there, right? So if the resources are limited, so the competition will occur at there lah. So this is what this sentence mean. And then the last one is competition between species in the overlapping multidimensional niche can be result in the elimination of one of the species or the separation of niche. So this means that if the competition is very big, is very high, it will eliminate one of the species. If the resources are very limited and the competition is very compact and is very high, this will eliminate one type of the species or even separate the type of niche also. This is the effect of the competition. Okay, next is fundamental niche. Okay, fundamental niche is refer to the resources a population capable of using under a ideal condition. So this means that it is under one population that is capable to live at there, capable to live at a certain area and under ideal condition. Ideal condition means that it is uh, very perfect condition lah. No predator, no any harmful environmental like raining or even flood, earthquake, tsunami. No, it is ideal condition, very safe and ideal lah, macam perfect lah, yang sangat bagus punya condition. But however, I already say in one area there are in the world there are no such thing is ideal condition. Even in animal life also there is no such thing ideal condition. But so because of competition and predation, any ecology life in one ecology there are also the competition and there are also predation. So there are absence of some resources. So not not so this is due to the competition and predation. So this fundamental niche is not cannot say uh is maybe is not how to say so this niche is not many organisms only use a subset of its fundamental niche. So this means that only the many organisms just use the portion of this ideal condition only. Not will not use the all ideal condition. There are no organism can live under ideal condition. What? No, there is no organism can live ideal condition. They will face the competition and predation. What? There are no such thing that the world have ideal condition. If the world does not contain have any organism, if the world does not contain have any organism, then ideal condition is occur. If the world contain ideal many organism, then no ideal condition will occur. Okay, then the portion of each fundamental niche that is actually occupied is called realized niche. Okay, next is the niche, space niche. So space niche already you see the space, so that is refer to the environments that the organism live. So it refer to the various effective environment lived by an organism even though the environment change from one stage to another. So this means that the various effective environment live. So if you not you can see example, the environment of the seedling plant is different from the environment of major plant. So they are same species, even they are same species, but when the plant is not seed, that does not contain seed, the environment that live is one environment, and then the environment, if when it is major, it contains seeds, the environment will be changed. They have to change the environment. They have to change the place. They have to change the place to survive. If not, they cannot survive. So this maybe you now understand. You see the B1, for I think you are very famous, because the children of frog is tadpole. So tadpole live in pond. They cannot live in land. They cannot live in land, right? But when it is major, become adult, become the frog, it can live on land and water. So means that it refer to the various effective environments live. Ha, it can live from one place to another place. By an organism, even though the environment change from one stage to another. Means that the organism can live at various effective environment, even though they already changed from one stage to another stage. So this is called space niche. Okay, the last one is trophic niche. Okay, trophic niche is explained by referring to the feeding habit that caterpillars and aphids. This example. So trophic niche is explained by referring to the feeding habit according to the organism feeding habit. So like caterpillars and aphids, they are both two insect. Uh, insect. So both of these organisms on the same they feed on the same plant, but the caterpillars eat the leaves, while aphids sucks the plant stem sap. So one is eat the leaves and another one aphids is suck at the plant stem sap. They are totally they obtain the nutrient is totally different. So thus caterpillar and aphids have different trophic niche. Ha. So caterpillar, although they feed to the same plant, but the uh, portion of the plant they obtain nutrient are totally different. So that caterpillar and aphid have different trophic niche. Okay, so this is the last niche. So this video is end. So hopefully again, every time our video, you can scan this QR code. So that I know uh your situation on this video, what are the problem on this video. So and then again, thanks for support. Thank you.